How to multiply the whole number 29 by the fraction 1/2. So first convert this whole number into fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction. So how to do that? Just multiply top number together and bottom number together, top number together and bottom number together. So 29 times 1 means 29 and 1 times 2 means 2. This is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, so we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? 2 goes into 2 1 time 2 2, subtract 0, bring down this 9. 2 goes into 9 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 2 8, subtract 1. So this will be our whole number part quotient, this will be our numerator and this will be our denominator. So 14 and 1/2 is our answer.